Sunburn's off in the floods, February 2014. There we go, in Abingdon. It's been really good. And the current and depth is just about right to have a really good play in the water. Current mucking about in it, and it's because it picks you up and throws you forward half the time because the way that different currents work with trees and things. I'm going to come back here on a regular basis. As soon as the floods, I'm going to keep an eye on the levels at Abingdon. That's good fun, really good fun. Stand-up paddleboarding can be done even in the winter. Come and join Sup View Oxford and have a great time, and then we go to the pub afterwards and have a drink.